Yeah, she can use it until she's 4.
Nice.
Yeah. We are turning baby's crib into a toddler bed now.
Well, yeah, just until we have something else to do.
Yeah. Oops. Alright, so yeah, we purchased this guardrail from Amazon. It arrived yesterday, and we are... Oh, Nick is going to remove the front side of the bed so Sophia can easily climb up and down the bed or the crib. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger than this. Let me see. Okay, so here is what it's gonna look like right here.
I almost didn't buy it because some reviewers were saying that it was too small. But then I saw that it had a newer version that was bigger that people seem to like. So
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. So you almost didn't buy it.
Yeah,
It was unallowed because of all of those.
oh, because the reviews were mixed on it. Some people liked it and some people didn't. And the older ones with the small guardrail, which was about this big.
Very small.
Yeah, so
Just
it was too
1/3 of
small.
that,
Didn't do any good.
Yeah.
Even this one's kind of small. But I think when we put it up next to there, I think we'll see that it's at least...
Sophia's crib was there before, and then we moved over here. My vanity or my desk was there before, so we basically just switched them around.
Oh.
But Nick's office desk is still there. And then we just put the box springs underneath the bed, because we used to have it like here in the middle of this room, and it was getting too crowded. Oh, let's see.
So it's gonna be like that.
Like that? Oh, that's not too bad at
So we
all.
gotta lower the bed down to the lowest level, I think.
Don't you think it's the lowest level?
Yeah, I'll have to put one more.
One more. Oh, I guess there's one more, yeah. Ooh.
Where did it go then?
Yeah.
Are you sitting on it maybe? So we need ones that are this long. This one's too long.
Nick
This
took
one's
this.
too long.
Took the crib apart, and then now it's installing the guardrail.
Trying. Here we go.
Trying to find the screw. Can't find it. He's getting a haircut.
Missing Johnny on the spot, telling you could do it. Well, keep pushing with me.
They will even tell you to get off your treadmill and does cross training.
I could feel those muscles burning.
As you're going up, the incline is going up.
In a 12-week study following the workout and
Hi guys, so we are outside Sports Clips. Nick is getting a haircut right now, so we're just waiting on him. So it's right here. It's so windy in Vegas. We have a comic store there. The Sports Clips right there. All I see is this one. Hi guys, so we are at parking lot. We are going to Ritas. We've been there before. Maybe three times already, or 4 times, I can't remember. But before we couldn't figure out how to order. But now Nick is a pro in ordering, so we're gonna go there. It's right there. It's Ritas. Boutique. She's really excited. Oh, oh. It's a new haircut. Showing you haircut. So we are done with Ritas with ice cream. We are heading to the playground now. The indoor playground that we usually go to. Adventure playground. And Sophia's still having her ice cream. Yeah, but ice cream for Ritas are really good. As you guys can see, Sophia is still trying to lick her cup. Is it yummy? Yummy? Oh my goodness! Is it yummy? Yes! Oh yeah. Sophia is really high. She made it? Wow. All the way up there. Sophia, are you inside your castle? Good job! Uh-oh, careful! There you go! You got it! Wow! Mama's too short though. It stopped. Nice, it rotates. It's so good. This is our sandwich. In case we can put it back. Yeah. That's first. Our subway.
You can still sleep with mommy.
Say night night.
If you want to, you can sleep over here
So
too.
cute. First ever bed, Sophia. Yeah.
It does work pretty good. Based on the size, it's like almost more than half her body. So
Yeah. She can use it until she's 4.
nice.
Yeah.
And then you can transform it again into
Wow.
until age 6 or something.